Welcome to ATEC 70, Automotive Fundamentals. Now, I'm Connor Marshall. I'm going to be your instructor for the term. So we're going to be meeting online as well as face-to-face in the shop. As everything goes, especially in the automotive field, there's a knowledge set of a mental knowledge and a book knowledge, as most people refer to it, as well as a hands-on knowledge set, something we learn and do in the shop with our hands on the car. We're going to be completing both of those parts of the course this term, despite being in a pandemic or being somewhat socially distanced via the internet. However, remember, we can actually socialize quite a lot thanks to a bunch of great tools we have. So if you have any questions throughout the term and you can't make it to a live Zoom meeting or Zoom office hours, feel free to send me an email, a message in Canvas, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. And if something's not making sense, we'll try to make sure that in a short period of time, it will. Now, that car you saw in the intro isn't a car you guys will be working on in the shop. That's just my personal little project and part of my personal joy from working in the industry and living in the automotive industry. I began my automotive journey as a kid. First times playing around on a car or playing around a vehicle and stuff was with my dad and my grandfather, who were both technicians and worked their whole career in the automotive field. I began working in high school at 16 at an automotive dealership and stuff and working in the shop. And then ever since then, from a kid on, I've just loved cars. No matter if it's trucks or old muscle cars, import cars, it's a real passion and I enjoy it. And that's the fun in the industry. Sadly, it's not what you always do every day in the shop. Not everybody daily drives a super cool car. But if you can, I encourage you to, or enjoy what you can learn or tinker with on your own vehicle. From that experience, there's been tons of skill sets I've learned, from auto body repair to fabrication to mechanical repair and to machine work. And those are all opportunities that can be set down your path in the automotive industry or just in your hobby of enjoying cars and vehicles. Remember, this can be something you take as a career, or this may be a course you're taking just because you want to learn something a little more about cars, how they operate, or you think it's important for you to at least understand the basics of something that you own and drive on the road, right? Everybody's safety on the road is a very, very big factor. So you want to kind of understand how that car operates and how you can keep your car maintained well so that it keeps you, your loved ones, and everyone else safer out on the road. I hope you guys enjoy this course, that you learn a bunch about cars, how they operate, and the main functions and maintenance that we have to do just to kind of keep them basically operating how they should be. From this course, we're going to expand your knowledge set if you continue in the program to actually diagnosing major problems, rebuilding transmissions and engines, and actually doing major repairs on vehicles. In this course, we're just going to build on the fundamentals of skill sets for tools, repairing metal threads, fasteners, how to use tools, and how a vehicle, engines, transmissions, hybrids, and electrical vehicles all operate. So thanks again for joining me, and I hope you enjoy this course.